So a brand gives you a monopoly that without concern, you could actually give a suggested retail price, and you can also license specific supermarkets, specific exporters and importers. And I think what is important, without the promotional planning and spend, packaging, promotion, the brand won't get traction. And what is important, you need a fairly large volume of fruit to justify the effort. So we kept a tab of how much we invested in the brand. And just in Woolworths alone, through price and packaging and promotion, it ran up to 250 million.